I got my microphone back. But hey, this is what's going on at Noah's house today. It's getting dark so soon, and I get home kind of late, so it's pretty dark. I've been trimming a few trees in the garden. I don't know if you can hear the squeaks. I've been trimming some trees where I pointed out earlier in some videos from summer that are going to need trim. So I've been doing that. But it's dark, but I'm kind of excited today. This is going to be a video in my pipe series. I like doing that apparently. But I was holding off. I missed buying this online, which is how I usually buy my pipe tobaccos. But I did miss. But I found it at Allegheny Smokeworks, which I should have brought down. Oh, this microphone's wigging me out. Like, is it too close? They give you a ton of free matches. But anyways, Allegheny Smokeworks, I stopped in there today and I picked up some Cornell&diehl small batch Carolina Red Flake. I don't know, can you get in there? If you're watching this video and you're into pipes, you're going to know what it is. And I also bought 2 tins of... Oh, I should have brought the other one down. Okay, and with the magic of editing, Cornell&diehl's House Reserve. Ooh, which I was at Allegheny Smokeworks. I forgot their pack of matches again. I wonder if I could magically just like go get it. Hold on. Hey, and I'm back. I really hope I can edit all this together. If you guys don't know, I just took a whole bunch of shots. It wasn't that good. But anyways, the other day I made my first pipe video and I talked about Allegheny Smokeworks and I talked about pipes and things I like. And when I was there, their pipe guy gave me just a little pinch of some Cornell&diehl House Reserve. And it's been on my mind because I really, really liked it. So I was around that way today. Called them up, gave them a holler on that, and they said, yeah, we have some. So I bought 2 of these. I put one in my tobacco cellar, which is a cardboard box. But I looked up a lot of videos, so it's basically all you need. So now I have about 6 tins of various stuff in there. And hopefully it gets to the point where I can actually make a video about that. So I put one in there, and then I have one that I'm going to open up and smoke now. I've never been known to be a huge patient person. Hopefully I can let that stuff sit in there for a few years. I mean, I would really love for it to sit in there for a decade, 7 years. Hopefully that can happen. So I'm in my workshop. If you guys remember, I did that other video. That may still look a mess, but it's not. That's a piece of hoist that's all taken apart, waiting for parts. But all this is cleared off. The floor swept. That's cleared off. And I'm happy with my accomplishments. Right here, I wanted to bring these down. You go to Allegheny Smokeworks in Blawnox. They give you free matches all the time. And I thought they look pretty neat. But I wanted to make a video today because of this stuff. The Cornell&diehl Carolina Red Flake. And like I said, I missed the boat by not getting them online. I'll also have my cup of coffee. And I seen them there, and you do pay more at the brick and mortar stores. But I really, really wanted it. So I got some of that too. So I got 2 of them, and I got 1 of these. And these are unopened. Haven't opened them yet. I want to make a video of me opening it, because a lot of people's videos I like. This is what they do, and I enjoy it. Smoking out of a Brigham. Still not sure if I'm saying that right. This is an older one I got from Brigham Pipes Reborn on Instagram. And like I said, he does a great job at cleaning up the estate pipes. This is an older one from, I do believe, the 80s. It has the metal stem on it, and as always, the maple rock filter, which is kind of cool, which I'll tell you what, I leave them in for a long time, and I rotate them around to my pipes, and some of them are really dark, but that's fine. But I've smoked out of this pipe twice since I got it, and I've really been hitting my Peterson pipe quite heavy, because I can say I didn't really care for it, and the guy at Allegheny Smokeworks told me just hit it, smoke it, and I have, and it's been very, very enjoyable, and I'm starting to like it. So, and I would like to keep my videos from now on 10 minutes or so, because some of the longer ones, So anyways, without further ado, I want to open this thing. I don't know if there's anything else to talk about other than to do it. So I'm going to open this up kind of close to the microphone. Let's see if we can hear a psh or anything. Ready? No, you probably just heard the crick of the can. Okay, typical Cornell&diehl. They got that nice thing in there. Let's get this. I can't get it. Oh my goodness, they got her packed in here this time. Oh, look at that. It is just as advertised. Flake. And I don't know if anybody out there ever as a kid chewing tobacco, but to me, I close my eyes. I don't want to sound bad, but I'm 8 years old again, 9 years old, stealing some Levi Garrett or some Red Man off my uncle. It's really big cherries, I would say. It's so sweet. It's awesome. Here, I'm gonna get up here in the camera. If you can see that, it is a really nice flake. Not super moist, not super dry. And I'm not doing this just because I want to excuse me, ow. Pimp this only, because Cornell&diehl, they make several tobaccos, and I have a couple upstairs that I've had for a year or so, because I really don't like them. They just didn't hit with me. So this is, oh man, it smells so good. I'm really, really hoping that I like it, but if I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. So it's a nice flake. We'll get this kind of rubbed out. And wow, not too moist, but it has such a good smell. I'm telling you, it's like Red Man. I smell cherries, and it smells like a really overripe fruit market in there. But hey, I'm gonna get this all rubbed out. I'm gonna get it put in the bowl, and I'll bring you guys back when I get that, because you don't want to see me sit here rubbing around my tobacco, do you? So give me a sec, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Not that you'd know, because I did a snap. Hopefully I'll, like I said, I have a cup of coffee. If anybody ever wants to know, a coffee snob, I am not. I do like Starbucks. I like a good cup of coffee from a good place. But most of the time, especially if you see me out in the garden, I'm walking around most of the time when I'm smoking a pipe. Which tonight I'm probably going to have a bourbon later. I'm drinking instant coffee. I usually drink Nescafe or just a local brand, nothing special. But here we go. So I got her all packed up. Looking good, looking right. It's Saturday night. Actually, it's not. It's midweek. But I'm very excited. Still, it just smells so good. So I'm going to light this up, get the char light, get the main light. We'll smoke a little bit and talk. And then I'm going to cut it off because I'm going to put on my radio program. If you guys are wondering what that is, you can get it on iHeartRadio. The Alan Cox Show. He's out of Cleveland. I've listened to him for years. Let's get this fired up. This has got to be riveting for people. I said I've been smoking a pipe for a couple years, and got out of it for a few months, and then I just jumped back into it a couple months ago and just realized, you know, I really like this. Let's see if we can get it going. Gotta love the rise. Off the bat, it was a little bit getting it lit, but I mean, I did just open the tin. It didn't sit out. I mean, you seen me open the tin, so it didn't sit out whatsoever. It did not dry at all. Oh, it'll get going now. Oh, like a real deep. Hit me right on the top of my mouth. That's awesome. Really good. One thing I'll say about really heavy Virginias, and if I do like this Red Flake, I definitely want to buy some to put in the cellar, because a lot of Virginias I've smoked, and I smoked some straight Virginias just because I wanted to, you know, and I used to smoke cigarettes. That's what they remind me of. Big, you know, Marlboro Red or a Camel. And definitely not what I'm after with a pipe. This really doesn't have a lot of that. I got a lot going on. A lot is bashing into my mouth. What do we say here? Top grade red orange tips. Maybe that's some of the sweetness. Oh, it's got a bunch of sugar on it, not on it. And the Perique, that's what I'm getting. And I will admit, I love Perique. It has no bad aftertaste. It has this woody, earthy aftertaste. Oh, I sound like a bonehead saying that, but it does. Oh yeah, that's very it's cool. It's not getting hot. Bowl's not getting hot. And a lot of the things I do and how I even smoke my pipe, I got to give credit to Mutton Chop Piper, because I watch his videos and I learned a lot of stuff. And that's weird because there is a lot of stuff to learn about smoking a pipe. And then at the same time, you know, this Suburban Pilgrim, that I love his videos too, and I agree with him. There's actually nothing to learn. Just smoke it and, you know, don't blow your bowl up. And if you enjoy it, very good. Well, I'll tell you guys what. Oh, I definitely got to get another tin of this and let it sit for a decade and see how it tastes. Oh, I did want to say, this is my second pipe video on YouTube. I hope everybody likes it. I hope people who, I don't have a ton of followers, but people who really came for the gardening stuff aren't turned off by the pipe stuff. Don't be. It's just a hobby. it's just something that I enjoy doing, and I enjoy gardening. And if people came here eventually for my pipe videos, check out the gardening videos, because you could learn something there, and you could grow some tomatoes or something. But I think this is incredible. It has such a great aftertaste. It's not like harsh, not a burning aftertaste. I'm not sure if the camera's too far away or too close. I messed around with it, and I did like 200 little takes of me coming over here, and this was the best I came up with. I'm happy I got my microphone, and hopefully I put all this together. But hopefully coming up, I'll have some more pipe videos, and if people tune in, people like it. That's about all I got to say, other than put on the Alan Cox Show, pack a pipe, have a cup of coffee, and relax. And if you're here, please like, subscribe, share it around, and then subscribe again. Get everybody you know to subscribe, even if they don't like me. No, I'm just kidding. If they don't like me, tell them to comment why they don't like me. But other than that, have a good rest of your week, or weekend if you're watching this on the weekend. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. See ya. Bye.